Hello, YouTube. Today, I'm going to talk about Kartra, my review of Kartra. I've been using Kartra now for approximately 3 months. So let's just log on in and let's get started. Why is it not logging in? Yes, it logged in. Right, this is the Kartra dashboard. So when you log into Kartra, when you first start, I showed you a tip in my last video of how to get a 14-day trial for $1. But after that first month, after that 14 days, then I upgraded to the $99 a month plan. You can have as many pages as you want. Right, what can you do? My products. So my products is where you can sell products online. I have a couple of products here that I sell, and I use Kartra to host those different products. My communications is like an email autoresponder. It has your leads, it has your communications, where you can send out broadcasts and things like that. And this should, now I've clicked on broadcast, show you all my broadcasts that I've sent out to all my subscribers. Analytics of broadcasts, so you can look at your broadcasts, your leads, your lists, your sequences. So it's very easy to look at how well your emails were received by the receivers when it loads up. I do have many windows open, so I've made 36 broadcasts, and you can see the open rate, how many people it was sent to, blah, blah, blah. Right, pages. What is My Pages? My Pages is a page builder. It's a website builder. It's a sales funnel builder. It's very easy to use. Let's have a look at one page and see how easy it is to use. Let's go into edit of a page, and it will come up edit page, and you click, okay, I want to edit this page. And this is how easy it is to go inside and change different things within a page which you release onto the internet. Like I said, right here, loading up the page builder. I find it a very easy page builder to use. It's very easy. Everything is explained. Like if you want to change something, it's very, very easy. And you can look at things in a desktop mode, a tablet mode, and a mobile mode. Right, so this is the web page. This is just a thank you page that I've got made up for a beauty company. And it's so easy to change. If you wanted to change this logo, you click on it, you click on the pencil icon, and then the configuration of that. Image selected, I'll click on edit, and I could change the image right there very, very easily. The style of it, I can move it around a little bit. I can move to the left. If I apply that, you see it moves to the left. I don't want it on the left, I want it in the center, so I'll put it back to where it was. So it's very, very easy to change. Let's go on to this. You can change things within, oh, come on. There we go. I could add things to that text there and save it. Let's go back because I don't want to add that text there. It doesn't go with what I'm doing. And you go up to actions, and you would click save progress, or you click publish live. Publish live. Now this thank you page, which is in a sequence for me, it gets published live to the internet. And that's how easy it is. You can get the page link to give to people or not. That's up to you. You can get the page code. But anyway, we just close that down and return to dashboard. And it will say, oh my God, do you wish to return to dashboard? But just ignore this, just put exit. And you will return to the Kartra dashboard. So it's very easy to make pages. They do have templates. So if you wanted to make a template, go over here to add a page. And then when you add a page, it comes up with lots of templates for squeeze pages, sales pages, thank you pages, coming soon, product alert, personal branding. Let's have a look at personal branding templates. There's lots of personal branding templates. And you select something, you go inside it, and then you just change you go up to the top here, launch builder, then that template's your template. You just change the words, change the video, change the images, change the links at the bottom. to your own. So I'm not going to start going into that now. My forms are what you put inside of your web pages. So if somebody has to fill out a form where they have to leave their name and email, this is where you make the forms to go on your website, so that people can leave their details. My membership, you can get people signed up for your membership if you want to. There's my membership there. It's configuration incomplete. I'm yet to finish that. My videos that you upload that you can host on your sites. My calendars, my help desk, my campaigns. I have many campaigns at the moment. Let's have a quick note down campaign. So like I've got a beauty campaign, I've got a promo there, I've got W Life, a wholesale formula I've done in September, loads of campaigns, and inside those campaigns you've got to view the assets to see what's actually inside of that campaign. Like there's 15 broadcasts, 13 pages, 10 tags and 5 forms and 1 list, obviously because it's one campaign. So integrations, it can integrate with many, many different things. Integrate with Braintree, AuthorizeNet, Kajabi, Postmail, Stripe, Zapier, so you can connect it with a lot of different other softwares. My agency, my affiliate promotions, where you can, this is quite a cool thing. So you can promote Kartra and make a commission on Kartra. So let's have a look at this is a affiliate triad. Let's have a look at the other ones we have here. Kartra Silver, the Kartra Starter. So this is where I'd get my link to send people to Kartra. So you can do the same and promote Kartra. And there is my affiliate link right there. So then you can start earning money by promoting Kartra and other things. You can go to the marketplace up here. This is a cool tip. You can go to the marketplace and you can choose to promote somebody else's product or software. As you can see here, as an affiliate, that's only $5. $67, you get 50% of the commission if you was to help promote there. So in the marketplace, there's ways of being an affiliate for other people and making commissions on them. So overall, Kartra's very, very good for building websites, web funnels. Kartra's very, very good for email marketing, for analytics of your email marketing, your digital marketing. It's very, very simple to use. It's self-explanatory. It is very, very easy. It's worth the money. I do believe if you was to upgrade though, it's I think the next one would be $199 and the final one's $299, but that gives you unlimited domain names and hosting. With the $99, it only gives you 1 domain name, and it gives you the opportunity with $99 a month. Let's sign out and it tells you what you will get, so you know what you're getting, what I get. Let's sign out and we will see the prices of the, no, we don't want to sign in, not a member. Let's look. So you would go to plans and prices, get started. I will show you that trick again, how the silver, the starter, I'm on this, I get up to 2,500 leads, 1 custom domain. I can send up to 1,500 emails a month. As you can see, it's $99 a month. And there's a silver, gold, and platinum plan, but that's $199, $299, and $499. That platinum is expensive for me. But if you wanted to get started on Kartra at $99, just take your mouse and go to the top of the screen and scroll it on the X. Oh, look what pops up. For a limited time only, you get Kartra for $1 for a 14-day trial. So that's a little tip there for you. So if I stop my share, that was me, Craig Byrne, with my Kartra review. I hope you enjoyed it, and take care, everybody. Have a wonderful day.